Hi Pisces, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. This is not a gender specific or a time specific reading. I will draw one card out, which will be the main energy, and then I will draw out clarifiers so that we'll get a better idea of this whole reading or the message that I'm going to be delivering to you. So let's get started, Pisces. Hmm. You've got the Six of Pentacles. That is the main energy for your reading. The Six of Pentacles over here shows that there is something that needs to be done, an unfinished business with somebody. Um, I also see that you guys are willing to give rather than take, and sometimes that just drains you and makes you feel as if you're the only one putting in the effort in a relationship, or trying to go that extra mile when it comes to work, and others just come when the credit is being distributed, just to take credit. Other people step in, but the work is done by you. Okay, Pisces, and in relationships, I feel that you are more than giving, you're more than forgiving, and it just drains you sometimes. So that is your main energy. We're going to keep it right here, and I'm going to draw out a lot of clarifiers, and we will see some oracle messages for you. Okay. You've got the Hierophant. Some of you need to know that there is a greater plan at work. Sometimes we get so entangled in our experiences, in our day-to-day patterns, that we fail to realize that we are all a part of this great journey. And one day this journey is going to end and you won't even get to know. So please, please, please don't attach too much value to things that are not working out or people who have hurt you. Yes, feel it, but don't drag it with you, not like a ball and chain, because it will only slow you down. Some of you could be embarking on a spiritual journey, starting a new spiritual journey with a spiritual master, a spiritual foundation. So, congratulations on that. Some of you are dealing with a soulmate and are worried about the credibility of this soulmate, a partner. Trust me, this is a divine union, okay? Number 5 and 6 seem to be very important for you. So, keep a lookout for these numbers. They can come in the form of dates, or some signs that you see, number plates, or days or months. So just keep a lookout for these. Somebody from your past could be returning, Pisces. This is a message that I just got from the angels. Okay, your cards are dropping. I see that you guys are really anxious, but no amount of anxiety can change the outcome. Wow, you've got the Seven of Pentacles. Hard work is required. Things may seem slow right now, but trust me, it's just a passing phase. It's like the roller coaster gaining momentum, right? It keeps going up. It's a very slow uphill climb, and then it stops for 5 seconds, and then it goes down, right? And that going down energy is so fast. So for you, that going down energy is also going to be about success, about things working out in your favor. But right now, it's that slow momentum that is happening. Things are in motion, but they're a little slow. Please hang in there. Please be faithful and hopeful. Okay, you've got two cards from this. You've got the Eight of Swords. Okay, and you've got the Queen of Cups. Can see. When it comes to love, some of you are a little apprehensive in giving your all to this person. You feel that, like everybody else just takes from you, this person will also take from you. This is for people who are looking at a particular person when it comes to love. It's not somebody who's already committed. Because if you're already committed, then you're already going through these things, the more than usual giving, putting in a lot of effort. But Pisces just hang in there. Sometimes our inhibitions come in the way, but all you need to do is, it's funny because this girl's hands are tied and her eyes have a blindfold around them. But her hands can reach her blindfold. She can take it off and see what needs to be done. Once she sees that she is surrounded by swords, she can always cut that rope that is tying her hands, right? It's that simple. Sometimes all you need to do is change your perception and just know that the fears that you think that you're surrounded by, they're like smoke actually. Okay? So don't worry about it. Your inhibitions are in your head and not in your reality. Let's see some extra messages. Some of you could be conceiving. If you are planning on having a baby and things are getting delayed, trust me, now is the time. So you can try another time, okay? You can try now. One last time. Helpful people. You're surrounded by people who want to guide you, love you, and show you the right path. Choose a new direction, guys. This card comes when you are feeling the stagnation setting in. Sometimes you keep doing a particular thing and then suddenly you feel that, oh God, I mean, this monotony is getting to you. So then you need to choose a new direction. Sometimes you are looking for something and you're working towards something to happen, but it doesn't happen because it's not the right direction. So you need to change your perspective and choose a new direction. Okay. Wow, surrender to the alchemy of life. You've hit rock bottom. When you hit rock bottom, you have only one direction to move in, and that is towards the sky. So, if you feel that life has come to an end and you really have nothing to look forward to, trust me, this is not the end yet. You can still move on, you can still move upwards, and you can still conquer the world, Pisces. Wow. Just know that it's happening. Know that whatever hard work you've put in is bearing fruit. Do not worry about delays and um, people not being as per your expectations, because when something ends, it gives way to something more beautiful. Always have that faith, guys. And surrender what you cannot control. Surrender it to your God or whoever you believe in, the universe. Don't let pride get in your way. A new romantic cycle begins. It's time to release negativity. Show the world the real you, and the answers you need are coming. There are a lot of signs present over here. There is Leo, Libra, Scorpio, Aquarius, and Gemini. So if you know any of these people or who you're dealing with has any of these signs, this is your message, guys. Let's draw out an affirmation for you. When I'm in a state of appreciation, I'm in vibrational alignment with my true love nature. When you appreciate the things that you have around you, the universe gives you more things to be thankful for. Pisces, this was all for you. I hope it made sense. I hope it helped you. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.